How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brick Foundation here. Here I am, and it's time. Time to do the unveiling of my LEGO haul from the VIP weekend. Let's go and get started. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you wanted to see this. Definitely helps out this channel, and I definitely appreciate it. Let's go ahead and left or right. Let's start off with this one. What if you guys can see what's in there? Start off with the first one. There it is. Spin it around for you. This is LEGO Star Wars The Child, set number 75318, 1,073 pieces. I'm excited to build this one. This is something actually I've really been wanting. I've been holding off for the double VIP weekend. Actually, a lot of these sets I was holding back from buying. I initially pre-ordered it, but then I canceled because I heard about double VIP, so that's that. Moving on. Now, I already have this set. I decided to go ahead and grab one more. I was wanting to see maybe I could do a double-decker Elf Clubhouse. I was really excited about that. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other ideas that I could use. I'm just a big fan of Christmas. You know, one more wouldn't hurt. All right. Now, the next one's not for me, but it's actually going to be a gift for somebody, and I hope they like it. I already have this set, but this one. I was actually quite surprised to find this at the LEGO store. So I was like, you know what? Better time than now. Go in and pick this up. My friend is actually going to be quite surprised that I got him this. He believes that it's completely sold out. He's a way, way bigger Star Wars fan than I am. Can't wait to see his expression when he gets the Mos Eisley Cantina. Moving on. The next set that I'm going to be showing you was actually released back in October, and I needed it to complete my collection of Batman vehicles. I actually already had the 1989 Batmobile, which I still haven't built yet. I could not say no to the Batwing. Do you see how shiny that packaging is? I absolutely love it. I almost only want to take it out of the box. It looks so good here. I really want to see this mounted on the wall. Give me a thumbs up if you would like to see this mounted on the wall. Maybe back here for a little bit. Now again, this is another 18 plus set, has 2,363 pieces, which is actually almost 1,000 less than the Batmobile, which is, I guess, is a reason why the Batmobile is $250 and this is $200. Next, a couple of the promotional items. We have two of the, what do you call it, bluish, greenish bricks. Can't remember. Let me know in the comments below, what was the promotion for this? Don't really remember how much you had to spend to get these. Just comment below. The main promotion I was actually looking for was this is the one that I really wanted. Alright, so the set number is 40410. I've been talking about this for about a month or so. Now this set again comes with 333 pieces, has the seal of approval right there, says Charles Dickens. This is probably one of the most exciting promotions I've been excited about lately. Even more than the ice skating rink that's coming out in December, this is my favorite one. And will be definitely joining my winter village for this Christmas. So it's gonna go over there with the elves. Alright, there's one more of those. I'm gonna go ahead and put that over there to the side. Now the next set is the whole reason why I actually went to the LEGO store, because it was back ordered for until December 7th when I was trying to purchase it, and then now I believe it's just completely out of stock. The Ghostbusters Echo 1. Set number is 10274. It's another 18 plus set, and this was supposed to be launched with the new Ghostbusters movie that was delayed because of, well, you know. This set was actually leaked on Halloween, which I think would have been a perfect day to be the actual, real official date for it to be launched. Ghostbusters, Halloween, I don't know. Makes more sense to me than releasing it in November. I know a lot of people were upset that it didn't come with minifigures. I don't know. I'm not that upset about it. I mean, of course, I would love to see them, but this is something that I would like to see next to my Batmobile, my Batwing, all these iconic movies that I grew up with. I'd love to have these vehicles. Right when it launched, people were talking about how it's going to be sold out. I was holding on to that double VIP weekend, and I was glad that the LEGO store down next to the Galleria had them. Thank you so much. Alright, where are we going to put this? Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, talking about Haunted Fairground from Hidden Side. Set number 70432. I've been wanting this set for quite a while, but at the $50 price tag initially, it was too expensive for me. I was like, I don't see myself spending that much money for 466 pieces. It just didn't feel right. It was actually on clearance at the LEGO store. I was like, okay, 30 bucks? That sounds more like it to me. I went to go ahead and pick it up. Otherwise, I think I would have left it there. But these zombie clowns, I don't know. They were calling my name. I love it. I can't wait to build this. All right, Haunted Fairgrounds goes where? Actually, let's go. Haunted Fairgrounds goes here. All right, y'all. One more set. I want you guys to pause, and I want you to guess which set you believe is last. It's a big set. Meditate. Let's see if we can do this telekinesis through the screen. All right, you have your guesses? All right. Drum roll. So lower it down so I can see a little bit. The LEGO Ideas Treehouse. Set number is 21318. Has 3,036 pieces. Now initially I was like, I want to pick up this set because I heard it was going to be retiring at the end of 2020. But that's all changed and they pushed it up and leave it to the end of 2021. This set is probably one of the most celebrated LEGO Idea sets. And for some reason, I don't know why I was waiting so long to pull the trigger, but I'm glad I have it. Now, it's something that I'm glad that they included were the autumn leaves. I think it looks way better with the autumn leaves than it does with the green. Summertime leaves. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer? I'm gonna go with autumn. Would you rather see a speed build or perhaps a giveaway for the LEGO Treehouse? I would like to hear from y'all. The only thing I can think about right now is, where am I going to put all of this? All right, guys, that's going to conclude the LEGO VIP weekend haul. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you for joining me tonight. I truly, really do appreciate it. And if you like this kind of content and you enjoy this channel, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching one more time, and I'll see you guys later.